A lot of rain. God damn, I fertilized the yard. That liquid fertilizer, all it soaked in. It was the pre-rain. Oh. Well, that's 3 branches. 5. Yeah, that one was close.